Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence might revolutionize chip design? The intersection of AI and chip design is a fascinating space that's truly shaping the future of technology. At its core, AI-powered chip design refers to the use of artificial intelligence to automate and optimize the process of designing semiconductor chips. Traditionally, chip design is a complex, time-consuming process. It's akin to solving a mammoth jigsaw puzzle where each piece represents a component of the chip. It requires human intervention at multiple stages, from initial design to final testing, and any mistake can cause significant setbacks. But what if we could leverage the power of AI to streamline this process? What if we could use machine learning algorithms to optimize chip layout, predict potential issues, and even improve performance? It's a tantalizing prospect indeed. Imagine a world where AI does the heavy lifting, empowering us to create smarter, more efficient chips. That's the promise of AI-powered chip design. So, how does AI-powered chip design work? Well, it's a fascinating process, and it all begins with training artificial intelligence models on a treasure trove of chip design data. This data isn't just a random assortment, mind you. It's a comprehensive library of past designs, brimming with both triumphant successes and educational failures. By immersing the AI models in this wealth of information, they learn to distinguish between what works and what doesn't when it comes to chip design. Now, once the AI models are well-versed in the intricacies of chip design, they don't just sit back and relax. No, they roll up their digital sleeves and get to work on generating new chip designs. This is where the magic happens. The models use their newfound knowledge to optimize for key factors such as power consumption, performance, and size, creating chip designs that are not only innovative but also efficient. But the real beauty of this process isn't just in the creation of new designs.